Ya habían avanzado, ya.
Y él lo quería hacer empresarial en el pero yo le dije igual. Y cuando pasó, me dije, ¿cuántas veces me compramos de
Lo que fácil es compartir.
Sueño es palo de él.
Nos vemos.
Como 5 minutos.
I'm just kind of taking it all in.
Yeah.
It's so pretty, my god. Sorry? South America without it. I think it was the best place to stay. Yeah, which I don't think I stayed steps further longer in Bolivia. Like,
But that would also still be if I got the chance, I think I would just get it back.
I stayed in Madrid for ages.
yeah.
You know, so I was like, okay, I don't care if I take those two for 2 nights. I'm not going to pay for the day 10. And actually, I got a room, all the like top floor, really
Hola, nice to
where I just didn't really put much in the show.
Okay, good to know. I think for me, Wagga is like drunk Brit central, and I've grown up on that, so I don't feel like I'm missing out on an experience. It's like if I paid all this money to meet my countrymen, what was the point of it?
But also in Claros, where so many British people.
Yeah.
Like I stepped in my bus, which and I was like, British people didn't get it.
So a lot of Dutch people as well. There.
Yeah, definitely. But I do feel like I don't meet a lot of like I definitely meet Dutch people also, but not as much as the word.
Yeah.
But everybody keeps saying we have so many Dutch people. I wouldn't know because
She's so pretty here.
there's not really going to be a mejor hay que prevenir.
Ahí corren.
Bravo.